episode number 12, called English at the Pharmacy, Buying Medicine and Asking for Advice. Level, Beginner/Slow English. Hosts, Jenny and Carlos. Focus, Real-Life English at the Pharmacy.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Carlos.
In this podcast, we help you learn real English for real life.
We speak slowly, clearly, and with easy words.
Today's episode is called English at the Pharmacy, Buying Medicine and Asking for Advice.
This is a very important topic.
Because everyone goes to the pharmacy.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Part 1. What is a pharmacy?
A pharmacy is a place where you buy medicine.
Repeat after me. Pharmacy. Medicine. Drugstore.
Simple sentences. I am at the pharmacy. I need medicine. I want to buy medicine.
Very good. Part 2. Common pharmacy words.
Let's learn important words. Repeat slowly. Medicine, pills, tablet, syrup.
More words. Prescription. Doctor. Pain. Fever.
Good job. Let's use them in sentences. I have a prescription. I have pain. I have a fever.
Part 3. Asking for medicine. Now, let's practice asking for medicine. Repeat after me. I need medicine. I need something for pain. I need something for a headache.
Very common phrases. I feel sick. I don't feel well. I have a cold.
These sentences are very useful.
Part 4. Dialogue 1. At the pharmacy counter. Dialogue. Customer. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache.
Okay. Do you want pills or syrup?
Pills, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Part 5. Breaking down the dialogue. Let's explain some phrases. How can I help you? Means, what do you need?
What's the problem? Means, what is wrong?
Here you are. Means, giving something to someone.
Part 6. Describing symptoms. Now let's talk about symptoms. Repeat after me. Headache, stomachache, fever, cough.
Simple sentences. I have a headache. I have a cough. I have a fever.
Very good.
Part 7. Dialogue 2. Asking for advice. Dialogue. Customer. Hi, I need help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I have a sore throat.
You can take this medicine.
How often should I take it?
2 times a day.
Okay, thank you.
Part 8. Important pharmacy questions. Repeat these questions. How much is it? How often should I take it? Is it safe?
Very useful questions. Part 9. Talking about time and dosage.
Repeat after me. Once a day. Twice a day. 3 times a day.
Sentences. Take it once a day. Take it after food. Take it before bed.
Part 10. Safety and warnings.
Important words. Allergy. Side effects. Safe.
Sentences. I have an allergy. Is it safe for children? Are there side effects?
Part 11. Practice with you. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. What's the problem? Do you have pain? What medicine do you need?
Great practice.
Part 12. Review of key words. Let's review today's words. Pharmacy. Medicine. Pain. Fever. Prescription.
Excellent work.
Part 13. Real life tip. Approximately 4 minutes.
When you go to a pharmacy,
Speak slowly.
use simple sentences.
It's okay to make mistakes. Part 14. Over-the-counter versus prescription. In the pharmacy, there are two types of medicine
over-the-counter medicine,
and prescription medicine. Repeat after me. Over the counter. Prescription.
over-the-counter medicine means you do not need a doctor.
Prescription medicine means you need a paper from a doctor.
Simple sentences. This medicine is over the counter. I have a prescription.
Part 15. Dialogue 3. With a prescription.
Hello, I have a prescription.
Okay, can I see it, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
No problem.
Here is your medicine.
How often should I take it?
Once a day, after food.
Thank you very much.
Part 16. Useful polite phrases. Polite English is very important. Repeat. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sentences. Excuse me, I need help. Please help me. Thank you so much.
Part 17. Different types of medicine.
Let's learn more medicine types. Repeat slowly. Cream, ointment, drops, spray.
Sentences. This is a cream. These are eye drops. This is a nasal spray.
Part 18. Dialogue 4. Asking about side effects.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Are there side effects?
Some people feel sleepy.
Okay. Is it safe?
Yes, it is safe.
Thank you. Part 19. Allergies and warnings.
This is very important. Repeat. Allergy, allergic, warning.
Sentences. I have an allergy. I am allergic to peanuts. Is this medicine safe for me?
Part 20. Medicine for children and adults.
Some medicine is for adults.
Some medicine is for children.
Repeat. Adult, child, children. Sentences. This medicine is for children. This medicine is for adults.
Part 21. Speaking practice. Call and response.
Answer out loud. What's the problem?
What medicine do you need?
How often do you take it?
Great job.
Part 22. Common mistakes and simple corrections. Many beginners say, I need a medicine.
Better English is, I need medicine.
Another example. Wrong. I have pain in head. Correct. I have a headache.
Part 23. Real life tip for international students. If you don't know a word,
Point and speak slowly.
it's okay to ask again.
Pharmacists want to help. Part 24. Talking about health in daily life.
Now let's talk about health in daily life.
Not only in the pharmacy. Repeat after me. Healthy. Sick. Better. Worse.
Simple sentences. I feel healthy today. I feel sick. I feel better now. I feel worse today.
These sentences are very common. Part 25. Rest, sleep, and recovery.
When you are sick, rest is important. Repeat. Rest. Sleep. Tired.
Sentences. I need to rest. I am very tired. I need to sleep. Very useful English. Part 26. Food and drink when you are sick.
Let's talk about food. Repeat slowly. Water, tea, soup, fruit.
Sentences. I drink water. I drink tea. I eat soup. This English is used every day. Part 27. Talking to friends about health. Dialogue. Hi, Carlos. How are you?
I'm not feeling well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. Get some rest.
Thank you.
Get well soon. Part 28. Common health expressions. Listen and repeat. I don't feel well. I'm okay. I'm fine. I am not okay.
These expressions are very common in real life.
Part 29. Calling in sick, work, or school. Dialogue.
Hello?
Hi, Carlos. Are you coming to work today?
No, I'm sick.
Okay, get some rest.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow. Part 30. Simple health questions people ask you. People may ask, "Are you okay? How do you feel? Do you feel better?"
Simple answers. I'm okay. I feel better. Not yet.
Part 31. Health and Culture International English.
In many countries,
People talk about health every day,
English helps you communicate anywhere.
even with simple words. Part 32. Mental health. Very simple English.
Mental health is also important. Repeat. Stress. Relax. Calm.
Sentences. I feel stressed. I need to relax. I feel calm now. Part 33. Speaking practice. Your turn. New questions. Answer out loud. How do you feel today? Do you feel tired? What helps you feel better?
Excellent practice.
Part 34. Listen and repeat. Rhythm practice. Listen and repeat. I feel better today.
I feel better today.
I will rest and drink water.
Repeat again.
Part 45. Motivational real-life message.
You don't need perfect English.
You need simple English.
Use English every day.
Little by little. Part 36. Talking about pain levels. Sometimes pain is strong. Sometimes pain is small. Repeat after me. No pain. A little pain. A lot of pain.
Simple sentences. I have no pain. I have a little pain. I have a lot of pain.
This helps people understand you. Part 37. Body parts. Very basic English.
Let's talk about the body. Repeat slowly. Head, neck, back, arm, leg.
Sentences. My head hurts. My back hurts. My leg hurts. Part 38. Explaining how you feel. Emotions plus health. Health is not only the body. Repeat. Good. Bad. Okay. Not good.
Sentences. I feel good. I feel okay. I don't feel good today.
Part 39. Talking about yesterday and today.
Let's talk about time. Repeat. Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Sentences. Yesterday I felt sick. Today I feel better. Tomorrow I will rest. Part 40. Simple healthy habits. Small habits help your health. Repeat. Walk. Drink water. Eat well.
Sentences. I walk every day. I drink water. I eat healthy food.
Part 41. Short daily conversations. Real life. Dialogue. How are you today?
I'm better, thank you.
That's good to hear. Dialogue. You look tired.
Yes, I am very tired.
You should rest.
Thank you.
Part 42. Common sentences people say to you. Listen and repeat. Take care. Get some rest. Feel better.
Very common and friendly English.
Part 43. Messages and texts about health. People send messages like, I'm not feeling well today. I will rest today. I'll be back tomorrow.
This is useful for work and school.
Part 44. Relaxing and feeling better. Relaxing helps your body. Repeat. Relax. Breathe. Rest.
Sentences. I need to relax. I take a deep breath. I rest at home.
Part 45. Listen and repeat. Long practice. Listen carefully. I feel better today.
I feel better today.
I will rest and drink water. Repeat again. Part 46. talking about recovery.
Recovery means feeling better again. Repeat. Recover. Better. Strong.
Sentences. I am recovering. I feel stronger today. Part 47. Confidence message for learners.
You are learning English step by step.
You don't need hard words.
Simple English is powerful.
Use English every day. Little by little. Part 48. Extended final reflection. Today, you listened for a long time.
That is very good practice.
Your listening is getting better.
Your English is growing.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for learning with us.
Health and medicine. Easy English summary. Health is very important in our daily life. When we feel good, we can work, study, and enjoy life. When we feel sick, we need to take care of our body. Many people go to the pharmacy to buy medicine. Medicine helps us feel better when we have pain, fever, or a cold. Some medicine is for headaches. Some medicine is for stomach pain. Some medicine helps with coughs and allergies. There are different types of medicine. Some medicine is in pills or tablets. Some medicine is liquid, like syrup. Some medicine is cream or spray. We must use medicine in the correct way. It is important to follow the instructions. We should take the medicine at the right time. We should not take too much medicine. If we feel bad after taking medicine, we should stop and ask for help. Sometimes we need advice from a doctor or a pharmacist. They can tell us which medicine is safe. They can tell us how often to take it. It is okay to ask questions and speak slowly. Rest is also very important for our health. When we are sick, we need to sleep and relax. Drinking water and eating light food helps our body recover. Simple food like soup and fruit is good when we are not well. We should also take care of our mental health. Stress can make us feel tired and sick. Relaxing, breathing slowly, and resting can help us feel calm. Good health is not only medicine. Good health is also good habits. Walking, drinking water, sleeping well, and eating healthy food help us stay strong. Learning simple English about health helps us in real life. It helps us talk to doctors, pharmacists, and friends. Even simple words can help us explain how we feel. Taking care of our health is very important. Taking care of our body helps us live a better life.